Hey guys, it's Can of Soda, and oh Jesus, I haven't made a vlog in a long time, and it's raining outside, and I'm in downtown. I don't know, I'm just gonna walk around, I guess. I just got out of class, and it felt really great, because he said, hey, you just take this quiz, and you can get out. It was not too bad, so I got out 20 minutes after class started. Isn't that awesome? Well, 30 minutes, but, I mean, yeah, it's around that. Yeah. You know what, next time I'm probably going to use my actual camera. I'm not sure, actually I'm not sure if I should, because it's raining and it's expensive. I don't want it to get damaged. Actually, I'm working on a film project right now. Actually, more like a web series, and I want to actually use this downtown place as a filming location. I have written the script and everything. I have plans. What am I here? Ooh, a puddle. Because I go here for classes, I'm pretty much familiar with some parts of downtown. Well, not like all of it, of course, but like some of it. I'm mostly familiar with Broadway. Ooh, oh, Jesus. And down that way is Broadway. See, it's really nice. As a film student, there's this project I really want to do. A movie and a web series. It's gonna be a fan film and series. I'm not gonna say anything yet, but I'm currently writing a script. And it's still in the depths of production hell. Pre-production hell. But I'm hoping I will get out soon. Ooh! I've never seen this before. I really wanted to walk around downtown sometime. It looks nice. Ooh, I like this. I haven't been down this way before. Not by myself. Well, I haven't been down this way before at all. Looks nice. Some kind of garden-ish. Kind of. I just want to look around to see any amazing filming locations. Let me switch hands real quick. You know how to switch hands because the other one, the muscles were wearing down, and yeah, I think you guys get it. And now right there, that building you see, that nice building, it's a music center for my college. It looks super nice inside. Look at how blank it looks, the street. And there we have it, it's Broadway. Let's go take a look around. Ooh, I want to go over there to show you guys. I want to do more downtown tours like this in the future. Because it's a nice place. I really like going here. Plus, I don't go here often, only on Tuesdays and Thursdays, due to me having classes here. Oh, the light is red. I can't cross the street yet, but I'll show you around. We're gonna go over there, right here, and then we'll probably walk down this way if we have time. It's 10:10 right now. I want to try and stop this at like 10:45 probably. Before that. I don't know if you can see this on the camera, but it's really raining. Pretty moderate right now. It's supposed to rain all day. I really like the rain. I don't know why. Oh, light's green. Oh, I stepped in the puddle. Whoops. I didn't see it. I could be filming this all day, but looks like I have 5 to 6 minutes left on this thing. Looks nice over here. I really like that building right there, that white and black building. I think it's private property, so we can't go on it. It says we can't use the public entrance. Not sure what that means. I'm pretty sure it's self-explanatory. Anyway, let's walk down Broadway as well. I'll switch hands again. Oh, light's green, let's go! Whoa, big puddle, let's step around it. I stepped around the kitchen. I love how this really fits what's going on right now. It smells good. There's a lot of restaurants down here, so makes sense. Plus, this is Broadway after all. See, there's a lot of nice restaurants down here. I only eat at one Sunday. I mean, I think I ate at some, I'm not sure. I don't eat here a lot. I mean, I never ate here. Look at this. But of course, since I'm broke, I can't afford any of this. It looks like a nice place I would like to shop for clothing design. See, I told you there's a lot of nice possible filming locations. There's hardly anyone here. I guess it's the weekday, so I guess it makes sense. Don't worry, we'll circle back around. Back around is where my college's bus stops are. Oh no, I'm not going there. I don't like smoking. I do not do drugs. I am an anti-drug person, and you should too. Drugs are bad for you. Don't do drugs, guys. I'm serious. You know what, I'm gonna go down there and circle back around. Alright, we're going back around. Oh, I have 5 minutes left. I don't know why this didn't turn on, but I'll assume but of course it's walking, because I already know the physics. Oh, shit. Smoke bourbon and barbecue. I would like to eat there someday. Okay, there's construction going on, so let's go around. Hopefully it becomes finished once I plan to film here. It's crazy. I haven't done a vlog in a super long time. Ooh, I love it. It's so vintage. This store. Vintage women's clothes. That's something I like to use for a prop one day. Costume design. I have a lot of good ideas for that. Oh, and the wigs. Because I plan to have a character. I plan to have characters with colored hair. So, yeah. Oh, Jesus, look at that. I'm not surprised there are not a lot of people out here. Oh, there's another vintage store. It's so perfect. I love it. I'm gonna look through there someday. And that right there is a pizza joint. I really want to eat here someday. I'm not sure how much it costs. I'll have to see. See? Pizza joint. Actually, I want to see right now. So I just looked, and they're mostly like $2 to $4. That's not too bad. Ooh, an alleyway. That's a good place to film, right? And we're back around. Oh, that's a lot. Oh. And this right here is the bus stop. I guess I'll just wait. I'm running out of space on this one, so I'll stop right there. See you next time.